Hello, I welcome you all in this tutorial. In this question, the question says, find the velocity of mass m if the velocity of rope VA and VB moves 3.8 meter per second in the direction shown. So basically in this question there are the 4 pulleys and 1 mass connected. Now let us see some important thing that you should keep in mind. So first of all, you know the dependent motion. Dependent motion is the motion of the two or more than two particles that the motion of one causes the motion to the other particle. So some important thing is that though identify the reference line, assume the sign conventions and for the displacement and velocity, and assume the rope are inextensible and massless, size of pulley neglected, and there is no frictional losses in the pulley. So according to the sign convention, the velocity VA is 3.8 meter per second and velocity VB is minus 3.8 meter per second because it is in negative direction. First of all, simplify the red rope. So add the length of red rope and differentiate it with respect to time t. So length of red rope is not changing with respect to time t. So differentiation will be the 0. So uh, by using the sign conventions, you have to add it. Finally, VC is equal to VA divided by 2. Similarly, add the length of green rope. So by considering sign conventions, you have to add the length of green rope and equate to L green. Differentiate the above equation with respect to time t. Now put VC is equal to VA divided by 2 in the above equation. You will get the equation below. Further, you have to put VA is equal to 3.8 meter per second and VB is equal to minus 3.8 meter per second in the above equation because we have to follow the sign convention. So on solving the equation, the final velocity of mass m is Vm is equal to 2.85 meter per second in upward direction. Thanks for watching this video.